Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this wiper arm puller set. We get two different pullers in this. Oh god, drop that. We have the first one, which is a bigger one. And we have this other one, which is slightly smaller. I'll give them individual looks in just a second. But overall, they're built fairly well and pretty robust. So we'll start with the bigger of the two pullers first. So this is a 9-inch movable wiper puller. Pretty good. It's got this lovely little turning knob that adjusts the distance between these jaws at the bottom. You can go quite a way in, should I say. And yeah, pretty simple design, but really work really well. I haven't actually got any footage of these in action, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You pop this over your wiper and you tighten this bit down, that pops it off. You can also use these for stubborn battery terminals. Pretty good. All I'd recommend if you are going to use these on battery terminals, put something plastic or something, an insulating piece between here and here, just to stop you damaging your battery terminal. Yeah, overall not a bad little one. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one we've got is this wiper ball ram. So yeah, it's a pretty handy little one. Again, it works in a very similar way. So you just wind this out. You have it over the ball joint of some description. You can pop on. So this is mainly for like the joins between wiper linkages and stuff. Works really well on that. I imagine it would work quite well on any of those sort of style where you need to pull the wiper socket off the ball. Or anything where you need to pull a ball off a socket. I imagine it will work really quite well for that. Again, pretty good. Got a little ball, I'm not sure if you can see this very clearly on the thing, but you've got a little ball detail down in here. It's pretty good. Got an adjustable so you can't over tighten anything. Just there, the little nut. And yeah, again a nice little tool to have. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick demonstration of how this holds onto a window wiper. So you have to pretend this bolts a window wiper spout that joins onto one of those cone spindles like most window wipers have. So all you do is hook this over, and this part would go under the window wiper arm itself, and this would be the top, and all you'd have to do is just tighten this down like so, and that would put pressure on, which would then pull the wiper arm up and off. So yeah, pretty good. Again, you get a fair amount of torque and pulling pressure. Get most of the window wipers that I've pulled off before. Just gives you a bit easier than using your bare hands. Less chance of risking damaging the windscreen. One of these, and like I said, many other uses you can use for this. Like I said, battery terminals I've been told you can do with this. Other stubborn little points would have been great for when I did the gear linkage on the Peugeot. Both of these would have been good for that. So yeah, not bad at all. And before we go into my final thoughts on these, I'd just quickly like to thank James, the person who sent me these. Long-time viewers may remember James. He also sent me the puncture repair kit. So thank you very much, James. This was a nice Christmas present he sent me. And now onto my final thoughts. So my final thoughts on these wiper arm pullers. They're pretty good. That's why I've given it a 3 spanner rating. So yeah, 3 spanners, pretty good. Does the job pretty well. Makes it a lot easier to pull off wiper arms. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.